everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Here we are with another wonderful product that I have for you. It is the USB-C to headphone jack. The reason I bought this is obviously Apple don't do 3.5mm jacks anymore, and they don't do, shall I say, these ones anymore, which is the lightning connector. So they've moved to the USB-C. So I had to go out and buy one of these. So that's why I'm going to do a unboxing video for you guys to have a look at it and to see what's inside. I can only say there isn't much. That's what my opinion is. And this is what the box looks like. Nothing special, like it's typical USB-C headphone jack. Here is the price. That's how much you'll get at an Apple store or anywhere else. This is the genuine one, shall I say. So let's quickly open this and find out what is inside the box. Let's first find out. They box it quite nicely actually, but be careful with the knives, how you open it. So you don't cut yourself. There you are. I had to do it like this. Yep. Well, that's how I opened it. We cannot open it a different way. Or you can just lift this little bit up here and then open it like that without the knife. So you have a little tag here. Because I don't usually open the boxes before I do a video, so people can know what mistakes I make, so you don't make mistakes. So it's a little sticker there and you open it like that. So let's see what's inside. That's the actual and in there you'll get some instructions. Let's put this on the side. I think it's the warranty, which nobody uses because it's not worth it. And you have probably a little guide here and telling you in various languages, I think, that will tell you US and EU and etc. like that. So I don't think anybody uses this. So we'll just put that on the side. So it's pointless for me to saying. If you want to, you can always have a look at it and give it a good read. So here we are. This is what it looks like. So get the wings out of the way. I know you say, why am I doing this? Why don't you use the AirPods? Yeah, I can use the AirPods, but some people may find it too expensive and they get these. So here you are. Let me just compare so you don't make a mistake again. Yeah, when you're buying stuff. So USB-C and the Lightning one. Difference, not much. Both usually about 10 euros. And I have a headphone that I can put in here just to show you. There you are. That goes in like that and into your iPad. Let me just bring in the iPad as well. This is the iPad with the new, I don't know if you can see that, with the new USB-C connector. And it will just go in there and away you go. So you have this. So if you run out of battery out of the AirPod, if you have one, if you don't have one, you can always rely on this. So let me just put this back. And this is it. So I can tell you what you get. Nicely packed, yeah. A little bit of instructions how to use them, or warranty. This is the box. I'll put that underneath, and that's how it is. Nothing else. So guys, I'm sorry I cannot describe any more than what you see here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more new uploads. Thank you for watching.